I'm so confused. I don't know what will happen because I used to work on white wall room. So let's try. Well, when I entered in the room and I saw the violet, I immediately started to work, and the color bring me back memories. I was thinking about the nights and the sky with the stars, the lights that you can see maybe through the trees. Yeah, I wanted to do something that maybe will keep that darkness, that is not that dark. Change is so strong. You are working, you are inside the piece, and whoa, everything is changing. Even the sound make you forget immediately what you were doing. I come from a place with green landscape, so I was thinking about these wild horses that we have in the north of Spain. It's not just about the memory. You start from that, you think what you want to do, and when you start to feel. And I started, so it was there, the horse and all the green around me. Okay, red is about love, is warm, made me tender somehow. Tender love, let's say. So I choose two birds. In the process, they were going more and more together. Yellow, I was thinking about summer and summer days, sharing food with my friends. So why not to do a plate? Maybe because of the yellow, I started to think about the sun, how old civilizations, they were doing those plates for eating. Blue always make me think about the seaside. So I wanted to do my own water or something like that. I tried to do that like wave or something like calmer than in the other pieces. Wow, this was intense, very intense, yeah. It was super interesting because I always was working with white walls. Truth is I will never paint my walls because it affects you so much.